benches. Children's life jackets under the benches. There will be no standing or switching seats while the boat's in motion. The boat will not get underway until everybody is seated. If you have not done so already, please silence your phones out of respect for the USS Arizona Memorial and the sailors and Marines who died there. Understand if many of you are on vacation, this is a great sight. Well over 950 sailors and Marines below decks to this very day, so while you're here, treat this place with the utmost respect. That's all I have for now. We'll be getting underway shortly. Enjoy the ride.
Inbound Navy unit with a positive tell time of 1500. This is Pearl Harbor Control, hail you, channel 69, over.
Mark.